Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone is well. So in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can use a new feature called user feedback. In order to explain how you can use the user feedback functionality, the first thing that I would do here is I have to go to the user dashboard. So if I give the user credentials, which is this credential, and check out and log in. So this is the user dashboard. So if you go to this function, user feedback, if I click on user feedback, as you can see there is a form with few input fields like name, email, your feedback, issues, your rating, etc. So I'll go through this form and submit this form in order to show you one more thing. So if I submit this form, let's say I give a name, I give an email, like a random email, and then I give a feedback, random feedback. I give a rating of this platform, let's say 7, and if I click on submit feedback, this will store this data into my database. So if I click on submit feedback, this will save the data into the database. So if I want to check the database, if I check the database, if I go to this table and give a refresh, there you can see this is the data. I gave the name, the email, the feedback, and the rating. Another part is the feedback list. So there is one caveat here, that is you cannot check the list from the user panel. You can submit the form from the user panel, but you cannot check the list from the user panel. So in order to do that, you have to go to the admin panel. So if I log out from the user panel and go to my admin panel, if I give the admin credentials, I think this is the admin credentials. So if I click on login, right now I'm in the admin dashboard. As you can see on the left side bar, there is a functionality called user feedback list. So if I click on list, so as you can see, this is the record that was, or I think this one was the record that I entered. As you can see, these the rating, the feedback, the email, and the username with the user ID. So this is the list of the feedback. As you can see, there is an action button. If I click on action, as you can see, I can edit the feedback, delete the feedback. So if I click on edit feedback, this is the form where I can edit the feedback. So right now I won't edit the feedback, but you can do that. Another two functionalities in this list is the search and pagination. If I look at this bar, which is the search bar, if I type, let's say random, as you can see, there is no data found with this name. So if I remove this, the data is back. Another way I can do is pagination, which is if I click on this one, this is the I think the first two data. So if I go to the second page, as you can see, there are other two records. So these are the functionalities that I wanted to highlight in this video. So thank you for watching.